Okay, welcome to CR Trading, everyone. Today we will be trading the M10, sorry, the M1ozZ25 contract, which is the micro 1 ounce gold contract for December 2025. We are currently looking at the 15-minute chart. I'm going to blow this section up a little bit bigger so that we can kind of look at it. And we'll go down to the 3-minute. That looks a little choppy there, but let's see the 1 minute. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so we're going to go to the 15-minute again. Actually, I think the 1 hour might be a little more helpful here. So the plan for today is to trade this instrument on a longer holding type pattern. So we will get in, kind of let it run, probably after the open. So let's see, there's an hourly supply zone. Hold on. Oop. There is a 1 minute supply zone right there. We have tapped into that zone. There also is a 1 hour zone down here. We've tapped in and pierced that, so we're not going to look at that. So we will drop down to the 15-minute. And the market is open. So we should get a little bit of movement now. Alright, so here we go. We're going to watch this. We are going to take that down and we will set our order in there. This moves at one tick increments, so right here there's a little overlapping supply zone there. So we'll take a look at that, and pretty much now we just kind of sit and wait. We are up $1. We are, wow, that came all the way back. That's crazy. So let's try, I'm going to try an 11-minute candle so I could just kind of see here. but I think we're going to go out and sweep those lows, so I am just going to kind of sit here and wait. So let's see if we go down to the 3 minute. What does this thing look like? Okay. There we go. Come on. Okay, so now we're going to go to the 15 minute. This is, these trades that we're taking today aren't going to be big dollar trades. This is just purely to give the gold contract some love here. Well, now we just kind of have to wait for another setup, and then we can go from there. But until there's a setup, there's really not anything to do, so alright, so we're just going to keep watching here till we have something that tells us what and why we are making this trade. Okay, so we are going to go over to the 4-hour. And then we will drop back down into our 15-minute. And we'll see where this takes us. We're just kind of watching this. Not a lot to do right now. Have to wait till this first 15-minute candle closes. We're just going to kind of keep looking at this, see where this might take us. We're just kind of watching this. Not a lot to do here because there's not a lot to see. Alright, so we are on the MYM now, just taking a look here. That was a pretty good trade there. So, and then we'll go over to the MES real quick, take a look. Oops, sorry guys. So here's what the MES Z25 contract looks like. Not a whole lot going on here. So now we go back over to what we're trading for today, the gold. We will go to our 15-minute chart. Yeah, I have taken one trade. This is the micro 1 ounce gold contract, so. Okay. So we're just going to kind of keep watching this, see what happens here. This is on the 15-minute chart. I will be back in 2 minutes. Just slide that over. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so there we go. So this, we have changed colors and a little bit of a reversal here on this 15-minute candle. We did sweep these lows and then went up. So now we're probably looking at longs. I was definitely expecting more of a push than a 7-point push there. So we will have to look into that and see if that is anything that we can see kind of reliably or not. I'm not 100% sure. So this looks like this is going to be a slow mover today. So we're just going to kind of sit and watch this and make sure that this is, you know, happening and that this is going to play out. Now, again, these are not the short-term usual scalps that I do, so this is going to be like a longer play, so we're probably going to stay in this and let this trade move and develop a little bit more. I kind of do want to see these highs swept before I do anything else or have this move in a different way, I guess it would be what. I do. I apologize for the stream yesterday. The stream yesterday was pretty bad. I was having some internet and like connectivity issues and some other things were going on. So all right, let's see if we can't get a trade here. I'm just kind of looking. It is the 10 o'clock candle will open in about 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Me. All right. New 15-minute candle just opened. Let's see which direction this wants to take us. Still looks like we're headed down. So I think we might want to tap into these lows today. I don't know if you guys could hear this. My dog snoring like a freight train. Alright, we're just kind of watching, see how this candle's going to develop here, see if we're going to get a push down lower or not. Right now, I'm not convinced, but I'm not convinced. So I think we do want to take out the lows that are marked where that yellow line is at some point during the day, probably today. No, because there's like a triple bottom kind of forming there. Wow. Well, that's a little bit of a move there. All right. Well, let's see if we could look at the 1 minute time frame here. Yeah, this is, wow. Yeah, they're just big gaps. I don't think we could trade this on a 1 minute time frame here. So this might be really slow and boring for the stream. So I apologize. I'm going to have to figure something else out for tomorrow. So I will come back when I have something better that's a lot more useful for you guys. So thank you for joining. Have a great day.